two titans of online investing, ETRADE and Charles Schwab. Which platform truly comes out ahead? On one side, we have ETRADE, known for its powerful trading tools and vibrant interface. On the other, Charles Schwab with its legacy reputation and full-featured experience. We're putting both platforms through the paces, comparing things that matter to real investors. Fees, user experience, research tools, investment options, and more. Let's skip the hype and break down what actually makes a difference for you. Each category will get points, and by the end, you'll see exactly which platform takes the win. The final verdict might surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we get wild with the details, here's the game plan. We'll be breaking things down by fees and commissions, platform and technology, research and tools, customer service, account selection, and of course, education and learning. These are honestly the areas where these two really show their colors, so keep an eye out for what matters most to you. First up, fees and commissions. So both ETRADE and Schwab go hard with $0 trades for stocks and ETFs, making investing way more accessible than, say, a decade ago. But while ETRADE does charge fees on some mutual funds, Schwab keeps things low unless you're doing some fancy broker-assisted deals, then Schwab's fees can hike up a bit. Overall, you know what? These two are way too close to call on price, so yeah, big tie here. Now for platform and technology, this is where ETRADE just races ahead. Their apps are super intuitive, whether you're on your phone or poking around on the web. And if you're into advanced trading, Power ETRADE has legit tools. Only thing, it can look a little cluttered if you're fresh to all this. Schwab, on the other hand, is simple and won't overload you, but if you love tweaking stuff, it might feel a bit basic. So for tech, ETRADE is definitely in the lead. Let's talk research and tools because honestly this is where Schwab flexes. Their market research goes really deep. They've got all these third-party integrations and their Schwab equity rating system, chef's kiss if you want legit insights. ETRADE tools are great, don't get me wrong, you get solid screeners and analytics, but it just doesn't quite reach Schwab's monster level of detail. So Schwab takes this one. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Charles Schwab, they've actually been around since 1971, which honestly makes them OGs compared to ETRADE, who didn't even show up online until '92. Just a little history for you. What about customer service? ETRADE got decent 24/7 phone support, but honestly, sometimes you want to talk to a real human face-to-face. Schwab totally wins there with actual branch locations all over. Plus, they're also 24/7. Sure, you might end up on hold during busy periods, but having that option for in-person help gives a real comfort factor. Moving on to account selection, at first glance both offer all the usual stuff, brokerage, IRAs, custodial accounts, so that's covered. ETRADE is solid, but Schwab, not only do they cover all types, but they've got integrated checking and banking too. Only thing is, the sheer amount of options could get overwhelming if you're just starting out. Still, if flexibility is your thing, Schwab is the winner. And then, education and learning, this is actually closer than you'd think. ETRADE has live webinars, demo accounts, and lots of explainers, but Schwab steps it up with their robust learning center. Some of the Schwab content is behind a login, which is a tiny bummer, but overall, both are honestly pretty strong if you want to level up your investing skills. Gonna call it even here. If you plot these two across all the categories, you'll notice Schwab has this real consistency, super strong on research, help, and options. ETRADE zips ahead mainly on platform design and tech, but the rest is pretty close overall. Still, there are some standout spots for each. So here's my honest take. If you're all about slick tech and speed, honestly, ETRADE just feels super modern, especially if you're trading daily or love digging into advanced tools. But if you want those really deep research tools, maybe even like the idea of walking into a branch for help, or you just want as many account choices as possible, Schwab's the place to be. Subtly, for the sheer breadth and support, Schwab does edge ahead. But hey, either one is a good move depending on what clicks with you. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget, Follow for more direct, no-nonsense comparisons just like this.